Can you forge your own cities? Can you quiet your own mind? Can you take a few seconds, not impatiently snap back, and show the whole world how to be kind? Can you disembark on a new journey? Can you welcome unknowns in new lands? Can you feel my fires burning through your kerosene-soaked heart? We've got suicide packed inside our hands. Can you believe my wings are metal? Can you believe the damage done? Did you fall for the devil while we sacrificed the saints? Did you believe in me and my army of one? We're all just small dogs in the mountains, wading water that's up past our knees, often lost in our thoughts or the things that we bought. But I knew it was love when you sneezed. Can you still see the old me? I'm waiting. Can you reach me when I'm buried so deep? I don't want to be here if my life isn't with you. The whole world has changed since you've been asleep.